Hello! Now that we've explored two elements of visual design, typography and color, let's discuss a third, iconography. Iconography is a system of graphic images or symbols that are associated with a subject or an idea. We call these images and symbols icons. On the surface, icons might seem like playful creations, but when made effectively, icons limit wasted text space, catch the user's attention, and are an easy way to transition to another page or location. We rely on icons all the time to give us information in both digital and physical environments. For example, an arrow icon on a button indicates that an elevator will go up or down. Or the sun icon on a computer screen allows us to adjust the screen's brightness levels. Sometimes icons indicate specific actions, like the arrow or sun in these examples. Other times, icons provide supplementary information, like how a battery icon tells you that it may be time to recharge a device. Some icons are commonly known through their widespread use. For example, have you ever seen this icon of a house? This house icon on the navigation menu indicates a path back to the home screen of the app. Since this icon is universally understood by most users, you can simply use the same house icon in your own app designs. However, other icons have specific cultural associations. For example, an American football icon may not be the best icon to represent sports on a global app. That's because American football isn't as popular worldwide as it is in the United States. Using a more universal icon, like a soccer ball, may be more appropriate for a global audience. When using icons in your designs, add a text label to describe what the icon means. If you add an icon of a house, you should also add a text label that says Home beneath that icon. The text label also makes the app more accessible, because icons can't be read by a screen reader. Finally, iconography is crucial to a company's brand. Think about the Google Workspace icons, for example. Because of their color and style, there's no mistaking that these icons belong to Google products. When you start your UX design career, the company you work for will likely have their own set of guidelines for in-house iconography, which will help you make design decisions more easily. Let's keep building the homepage of our dog walker app and add an icon. Here's where we left the design in the last video. To get started, I'm going to add a house icon. I'll navigate to Google's Material Design page, which has a list of free icons that are available for anyone to use. I'll click on Resources. How convenient. At the top of the page, icons are listed under popular resources. The icons are listed alphabetically, so I'm going to scroll down to H for Home and select the Home icon. I'll click on the blue download button on the bottom left-hand corner of my screen to download this icon to my computer. Then, I'll navigate back to Figma. I'll click on the rectangle in the top left corner and select Place Image. When I do that, a window pops up that asks which file I want to select. I need to find the Home icon that I downloaded and click Open. Now, I'll draw on my app in the spot where I want to place the Home icon. There we go. I can change the color of the icon to orange using the same hex code as the button we added earlier, which is FA7B17. Lastly, I need to add a text box under the icon using the same steps that we've outlined before. I will write Home in the text box. I'm going to center the text below the icon. Then, I'll change the color of the text to use the same orange that we're using throughout the app and make the size of the text 12 point. And that's that. We now have an icon for the homepage of our dog walker app. We've now finished discussing three foundational elements of visual design: typography, color, and iconography. Coming up, we'll explain how to arrange those elements within your design. Let's get going.